On se retrouve pour Pop Time chapitre 3. Allez, on y va. Suite à l'accident de train, vous vous retrouvez bloqué dans les profondeurs avec un nouvel objectif en vue.
What's the time?
Playtime! S-M-I-L-E every day! When you are down and out, no need to frown and pout. The Smiley Critters here to say S-M-I-L-E every day!
Smiley Critters, ok.
The wind's really scary. I can't sleep.
Hey, we'll be okay, guys. I promise. All winds blow away. Eventually. Catnap! Please, help us go to sleep,
We
Catnap!
need it, Catnap.
Please help us!
Sleep, sleep, sleep.
Everyone knows Huggy Wuggy and Poppy Playtime, but are your children safe from Playtime Co.'s latest toy? What you've seen here is Playtime Co.'s own Smiling Critters, a limited series cartoon meant to celebrate the release of the toys sharing its name. Yet both now face the fire sparked by the inclusion of one key member. This is Catnap. And like the others of his line, you just pull his little tail and seems innocent enough. However, parents across the country report their children experiencing strange and often violent nightmares. And beside them, their little, grinning Catnap doll. Now, with controversy growing, Playtime Co. has announced the recall of all Catnap toys from the Smiling Critters line. His image cleared from all promotional material. But damage already done, will disappearing be that easy? The exact cause of these incidents still unknown, only one thing appears glaringly certain. Your children are not safe with Catnap.
D'accord. Ok. Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Oh! Qu'est-ce qu'il faut faire? Je suis nul en parcours, c'est grave. C'est fou. Allez. Regarde. Ah, c'est bien ton favori, ça. Peut-être d'autres choses à observer aussi. Oh non, j'ai réussi à me bloquer. Ah voilà, c'est bon. Bon ben, faut aller là-bas. D'accord, non mais ok. Hein. On n'a pas de flashlight, ok. Ah, c'est là où il nous a jeté. Faut une cassette, c'est les deux.
All right, Miss Harper. Please explain the situation. Spare no detail.
Well, like any night, all the children were getting sleep. It was peaceful and quiet. Catnap had the red smoke in the room. Then suddenly there was this scream. Nightmares happen, I know, but this, I mean, dilated pupils and quivering lips. The way her eyes darted around the room, and I swear, her hand in mine, it felt like her blood was boiling beneath her skin. She saw something too. Something horrible. I'm sorry. I don't mean to.
Miss Harper, we'll provide the very best care we can offer. You have my word. Oh, this is important. Did Marie happen to describe what she saw?
Yes, a monster, she said that it was colorless. Gosh, I could feel her poor little heart pounding. For her, it was right there. And her movements, they were so wild. Arms flailing, legs kicking. I wanted to talk to her, see how she's doing. I really need to hear her voice right now.
That would not be advised, Miss Harper. There are many concerns we must address at this time. But vitals show normal, and we'll continue to monitor. She'll be okay.
Well, pardon me if I'm not comforted by that. Just bring my little girl back to me.
D'accord. Elle veut sa fille.
I'm Bubba Bubbaphant. Hey,
Bah, allez.
I remember you. An elephant always remembers. Want to know what I remember about you? I'm Bubba Bubbaфett. Hey, I remember you.
Hey, hey, can you hear me? You look kind of lost. I don't want you to die, so I'm gonna help you. Check this out. Look at the tube thing on the back wall. Ready? Boom! You can use that battery to open the door.
Je sais pas, je le sens pas.
Whoa! Did you do that? I guess that's where Catnap found you. I know you're probably mad at Poppy for not letting you escape, but she needs you. We need you. You are our mission. Together, we can save a lot of people, including you. Plague Care is straight ahead. It's the home of Catnap, one of the smiling critters. There used to be 8 of them, I think. Now it's just him. Plague Care is his church, his hunting ground, whatever he wants it to be. You better get moving quickly. We'll keep in touch. Oh, and by the way, my name is Ali. Nice to meet you.
Eh ben Oli, tu vois, je dis maintenant. J'ai pas confiance en toi. Voilà. Comment il a fait le mec pour survivre tout ce temps-là là? Ouh. Ça a fait... Ah, bah c'est...
Hey, I'm Chicken Chicken. Want to go outside and hang out? It's looking pretty bad outside. I've never been outside before. Will you come with me? Here, follow me. I'll set up.
Putain. Oh, manivelle. Ah, manivelle là-bas. C'est jamais bon les chargements, moi je vous le dis. Tu coupes quand je prends la bouteille et tu reprends la maintenant. Playtime.
Hello, my name is Elliot Ludwig. As you look around at the world today, what one thing do you think it needs more? I asked around once. Money, I never have enough. Understanding, I can never get any. Faith, the common man has lost it. Each answer was different, and I could perhaps see some little change, but I think each was also missing something. Something simple. You see, not one of them could muster a smile. A smile is hope. A smile is love. A smile is understanding. And there is nothing more gratifying to my soul than being the reason for a child's smile. To be the spark that ignites all dreams, or For it is only through hopes and dreams that we may create a better world. One where our children need not be afraid. One where they are protected. After all, this company and its toys are nothing without them. These children deserve to smile. They deserve to love. And they deserve a safe home. That is why it is with enormous pleasure that as the founder of Playtime Co., I announce our very own on-site orphanage. But it's not only that. It's a school, a playhouse, a place to belong. Our very own ecosystem beneath the surface, dedicated in every inch and detail to ensuring a child's smile. Its teachers and counselors, mothers and fathers, until such a time they have all of that in you. May Playcare bring joy, inspiration, and smiles to all who enter these doors. For what gives life its meaning, if not us?
It's me again, Ollie. Cool place, right? The kids used to live here. Now look at it. Anyways, do you see that statue in the middle of the room? Take the stairs that go under it. There's a really cool room in there that powers literally all of Playcare. I can give you a key down there.
Oh, alors on a comme suite hub, saison fil, playhouse, school, toy store. Ok. C'est où il y a marqué là? Ah.
I'm Hoppy Hopscotch. Wanna try hopping to the moon with me?
T'es où? Ah. Ah oui, là. Rentrons dans la zone de production de gaz.
You got the key. Now the question you're probably asking yourself is, where does it go? Well, head back out, and you should find a door just to the left of the cable car you took down here.
En plus, c'est ici.
Welcome to the gas production zone, the beating heart of the whole evil Playcare system. All that gas you see coming from the machine is made right here in the factory. It's called the red smoke. Right now, it's all headed off to the right. We need to make that red smoke go left instead. That's how we can get to him. The machine will probably have a few dumb safeguards for you to work around, but I think you can do it. I'll call you once it's done.
Trouver un moyen d'éviter de dévier le gaz. Vas-y, on va explorer. Y a pas un peu de l'heure ou quoi? Il est où là? pas y aller. Vas-y, j'y vais. Bah. Mais attendez, je suis coincé là. Oh, cassette. Là. Ok, un ou deux. Faire gaffe, il y a des pics. Du coup, on va ramener. Oh, ok. Ok, ok, ok. Ah bah c'est au-dessus, ok. Ça c'est le 1. Il roule 2. 2. Je pense que ça doit aller vers lui. Ou peut-être. Comme ça. C'est bon, on peut sortir. s'allume. Est-ce que ça m'aurait étonné?
Oh no! Someone killed the power. Okay, I sent you another key. It's under the statue. Use it to get into Home Sweet Home. Then once you're inside, find the building's backup generator. Good luck!
Toujours pas. Mais il avait pas dit j'allais voir la clé de Home Sweet Home. Ah. On avait le panneau. D'accord, c'est en face.
Tragic news this morning. As of 9:45 a.m., local authorities report that the body of a young boy has been found on the estate of the late Elliot Ludwig, an esteemed toy maker and originator of the Playtime Company. At this time, an identity for the child awaits official confirmation. Found in an upstairs bedroom in a large duffel bag, officers on scene report that the remains appear to have been disturbed. Organs, as well as key bones for the skeletal structure, were reported missing from the body. It is unknown at this time whether this extraction was, in fact, the cause of death. Following recent events, Playtime Co. was asked for any comment regarding the discovery. This is what they had to say. Quote, "It's sickening. Elliot Ludwig was a great man, and those who knew him understood that he was not capable of violence, let alone what others now claim. He had a deep love in his heart for children like this one, making the actions of whoever planted this body all the more sick. We look forward to clearing his good name, both in the public eye and in the eyes of the law. Stay tuned for more."
Oui, mais oui, j'arrive.
You need to run.
Putain. Je t'ai vu, hein. Pas discret. Hein.
Despite Playtime's proclamation of Ludwig's innocence, many believe his reclusive and mysterious nature displayed over the previous decades lends suspicion to this claim. When questioned, Ludwig's neighbors indicated that he would often return to his home in strange hours of the night and depart again before sunrise. Some believed he was sick. Others that, don't move an inch. Playtime Co., it seems, intends to keep Elliot's name within its brand regardless. What is sure to be a long legal battle will follow.
Je suis arrivé de là. Toujours aller vers la lumière. Oh. Tu te calmes, hein. Ça va? La vie et tout va bien. Ah oui, bah oui. C'est aléatoire tout ça. On va aller là-bas. Ça, ça m'intrigue. Bon, on peut pas.
Get up.
Et au bout d'un moment, là, hein, oui, get up, on a compris. Je regarde mon retour caméra parce que c'est plus lumineux. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a là-bas? Ok, d'accord, non mais... Y'a pas de l'or un peu, non?
Greetings, employees, and welcome to your first day here in Playtime. We're certain that in the days to come, you'll find your new family here every bit as loving and supportive as your own. Feel free to wander the halls, sit in the mess for lunch, or watch our children play and learn to their little hearts' content. Join the innovationists where the bounds of science are continuously pushed, or join the counselors of Playcare whose diligence and care for our children will help shape a brighter future. Just you see. Now, every one of you has your part in that future, so should you come back tomorrow feeling unhappy for where you are or what you've done, worry not, for your supervisor is here and happy to listen. And should you come back years later, your conscience finally getting the better of you. May you
I get
descend
ugly.
into the dark and the dust, finding all that awaits you are incomprehensible horrors, each hungry for your return, each
Peut pas
eager
détonner là.
that they
la
might
carotte.
find you. Perhaps they'd smile at you from a shadow, their smiling mouths full of teeth and meat and plastic, watching and waiting patiently for their turn at a warm welcome. Or perhaps they won't allow you such time to figure your place in the world you'd left, a world that's theirs now. Welcome home.
Oh. Ouvre la porte. Ouvre la porte. C'est fin de partie. Ah, peut-être pas. Oh, Daddy Long Legs. Et là, on a Mommy. Ah. Oh. F. Masque à gaz. J'adore. Ah putain, toutes les jambes elles étaient alignées comme ça. On a un truc. Oh là. Pas autre chose d'intéressant dans cette pièce.
Subject is stable. Designated 1322. Clear neural abnormalities were detected in his recent checkup. Though highly irregular, we've pulled him from the home sweet home just before lights out to perform.
What is he doing with my friend?
What are you doing out of bed? How did you get in here?
Is Kevin sick? Why did you take him away?
Yes. Kevin is very sick. Very, very sick. But we want to make him better. But he can only get better if we take him to where we can provide proper care and give him proper rest.
Well, do you really think he will be okay?
I should think so. We're good at what we do, son. We paid attention in school, learned, and got our proper rest when we needed it. Just like you need it now, I should think. Come now, let's get you on back to bed.
Okay.
It's been a pleasure meeting you, Joseph. And I promise you, your friend will be all right. When you see him again, he'll have never been better.
Oh. Ok, là ils sont en train de dire que genre qu'ils ont mis un gamin à un autre endroit que d'habitude. Catnap, ça va? Alors moi j'avais vu, ouais, je peux bien aller à la porte là-bas. Alors ça donne, ok. Je voulais savoir ce que c'était. Un poppy. Ah voilà, je regarde jamais bien au plafond. Oh. Oh, qu'ici. Attends.
Hi there! I'm Piggy Piggy. Let's eat.
Il me faut une cassette, une cassette.
never missed this.
Who's the message? Who's going away?
Tell us. This week, Dr. White here has selected our very own Samuel Lee. Now, before he goes, let's all give Sam one last goodbye, shall we? With me. 1, 2, 3. Goodbye, Sam!
Du coup, l'enfant est parti de là. Voilà. Goodbye. Il faut faire là, je sais pas comment on va. Ok, et là on a quoi? Je pense pas de le faire comme ça, mais j'ai eu la... Ouais, on le conduit, hein. Les chemins sont de plus en plus délabrés. Voilà. Oh. J'ai même pas eu peur. Avant la petite voiture, c'est un surkiff. Ah putain, il crache ton truc. Retourne dans ta vie là. Je sais plus où c'est. Oh, c'est avec ça? Alors, 2. Ah là, ok. Il faut ça. Trouver un moyen de retourner au dôme. Petite C'est là, non? Ah ouais, c'est la 64. Oh, c'est qui?
No, no! Let go!
Oh, Poppy.
They didn't
c'est
do
ici.
anything wrong. We're actually here to help. This place makes her tense. I'm glad that Ollie could help you get this far. He's the reason we found you at all. You've been through so much. You deserve an
Il est à côté
explanation.
de toi, hein.
Come on.
Allez, come on.
Be okay. We'll be okay.
Qu'il faut faire? La clé, elle passe un peu à travers. C'est normal. Ouais, là, on va dedans. Hein.
Listen, I'm not your enemy. But I can't just let you leave. What's happening down here is bigger than all of us. And I need you. So we can get revenge on those monsters who've tortured you. Who've tortured us. They didn't act alone. They're disciples of the original. The prototype.
Encore lui?
Do the honors? The prototype knows we're coming by now. You try to escape, he'll kill you before you ever reach that front door. He's the reason I was trapped in that god-awful case for so long. You have no idea the things he's done. Let me help you kill him.
Ah, il est mal en point.
Let me help you save everyone. We've all seen you. How capable you are. You killed Huggy. You killed Mommy. You freed me. You are perfect for this. Catnap is coming. He's the final obstacle the prototype has placed against us. We can't stay here. Keep yourself safe. Ollie will call you.
Ah, du coup, elle connaît l'existence d'Oli. Ouais, d'accord. Vraiment, Ah. Quand on parle du loup.
Hey, it's me again. It seems like Poppy explained everything now, and she turned on the dome's backup power. Now the plan from here is pretty simple. We need to restore power to the gas production zone. First, go back to the home sweet home building you were just in. You should be able to find a big power cord somewhere around the porch. Grab it and plug it in underneath the statue.
Pas compris là. Faut que je retourne à One Sweet. Ah, mais là, t'es en train de me dire. Je retourne à ce bordel là. Là. Ah, ça. Ah, ouais. Ça bon, je l'ai déjà récupéré. Hein. Moi je me demande quand même comment il fait le mec, genre... Voilà. C'est où l'école? De touche à chaque fois. Alors, school. Ok, school, c'est ça. Ça fait déjà 1 heure de live que je... Super. Du coup, il y a quelqu'un d'autre avec nous dans l'école.
This is Mr. Light speaking. Please excuse the interruption. Students, remain in your seat until the bell has rung. And no going in the halls without a hall pass.
On a une note. Il y a quelques semaines, c'était l'heure de joie. Aujourd'hui, le silence règne dans cette école. Je pense que nous sommes tous perdus face à cette situation. Dans les couloirs sans enfants, le moindre bruit résonne des cris. Les autres enseignants et moi-même, n'arrêterons pas de sursauter. Il va falloir s'habituer. Quelque chose a verrouillé la porte d'entrée ce matin. Nous n'avons pas réussi à l'ouvrir. Ah, je me demande bien ce que c'est. Je suis content, on a enfin un peu de l'heure. C'est un peu ce que j'attendais. Ok. Je me suis approché, je m'attendais pas à ça de ma vie.
Wait, I recognize you. Yes, I remember. You used to work here. How are you? Alive. Barb? Oh. Barb says you're looking for your co-workers. Catnap wouldn't like that you're here. You should leave. For your own safety.
Ok. Ah, de ce que je vois, je suis pas la bienvenue. Je suis pas le bienvenu. Ah, cassette. Ah.
Where are the kids? Please, where are the children? Are they in the same place as the employees?
No.
Are the children safe?
Yes.
Ah. Can I see them?
No.
And that was it. That's all he'd tell me. Probably because he knew I'd kill them all.
Folle. Bon, on est sur une toile alliée, hein. Putain, il m'a fait peur. Elle peut pas sortir là. Du lore, du lore. Bah oui, bah oui, bah oui.
Not a good listener, are you? You're not like the other humans in that way. I wonder if your screams will sound like theirs too. I look forward to finding out.
Voilà, merci.
Hello, students. Find my sisters and I to learn facts across a variety of subjects. Press my button to hear some facts on anatomy.
Il y a quelques semaines... Bon, ça on a déjà lu. Allez. Alors c'est celui-là. Pardon. Je devais manger. Je devais survivre. Je les ai mangés. Je devais le faire. Je devais le faire. Ah d'accord. On est sur une course poursuite, ok. Putain, j'ai eu de la chance. moi-même. Je suis condamné, je sais pas où il est le truc. Ah, j'allais faire une run parfaite. Allez. Je sais pas ce que je fais là. Ça, c'est une prof d'anglais. Eh, tu te calmes, hein. Ouais, je fais exprès qu'elle vienne un peu vers là. Eh, je te regardais, wesh. Oh. Je t'ai tué. T'es mort. Oh, une lettre. La porte s'est ouverte aujourd'hui et j'ai entendu quelque chose. Entrer dans le hall. Monsieur Pointu et moi avons découvert Catnap à l'affût. Depuis tout ce temps, toutes ces souffrances, c'était lui qui avait verrouillé la porte, je le sais. Je voulais le tuer, mais je sais bien que je n'étais pas capable. Il semblait étrangement heureux de voir qu'il ne restait plus que moi. Nous avons conclu un accord. Je prends soin on prend soin l'un de l'autre désormais. On se signale mutuellement tout ce qu'on voit ainsi qu'à lui. Du coup, elle a signalé qu'elle m'avait vu. Un truc. Nouvelle main, je pense, ouais. Oh, c'est un... Pour la lumière, ok. Main. D'accord, il y a des recharges.
That, Richie? Nothing. Let's just get this shipment dropped and go. Hello, my name is Elliot Ludwig. Would you look around?
I take it you're not a fan of this place, are you?
Nope. Never liked the feel of it. I mean, don't you think these kids deserve some real sunlight instead of floodlights and painted skies? Hell, we're not even allowed to talk to these kids. Isn't that... Sorry, Stu.
Sorry? That doesn't sound like the Rich I know.
Well, I'm trying to stop being so pissed off all the time. My wife says I'm a lovely man, but I gotta control my temper. So, I'm doing it for her.
You're just different, Rich. Honest to a fault. But I always liked that about you.
Yeah? Well, you're one of the few.
You know, Richie, with my retirement coming up, they've been pushing hard for me to choose my replacement. I'm actually thinking about giving the role to you.
Really?
Yeah, really. Nothing official yet, but I think there's a decent guy beneath all that gruff. An honest, hardworking man. You prove me right? I'd say your chances are pretty good.
Wow. Geez, I don't know what to say. I'm just glad to see not everyone in this place has it out for me.
Not everybody, Rich. Not everybody.
D'accord, j'ai pas tout compris, mais ok. Un peu dans les câbles là, non? Faut aller où? On va s'arrêter là pour cette vidéo. Allez, ciao!